Your Escalade IQ comes equipped with a standard front passenger infotainment system and an available rear seat entertainment system. From here, passengers can view vehicle information, or they can use it for entertainment purposes, either browsing the web or streaming their favorite services. Your curved 55-inch pillar-to-pillar screen is divided into 3 sections. You have your gauge cluster, your center infotainment section, and your front passenger infotainment side. If you notice that your screen is off, one simple tap is enough to activate it, and from here you can see your built-in entertainment apps, your web browser, your HDMI control so you can plug in your favorite gaming system and play video games, taking a look at vehicle status showing your speed, your range, and other vehicle information. A simple press of the home screen brings us back where on the right-hand side you'll see a QR code. If you scan that with your phone becomes a digital remote. If we click on one of the apps, we can then take a look at how the driver can interface with this. Scrolling over to our entertainment hub, from here you can see an overview of the entire entertainment system with the standard front passenger screen and, if equipped, your left and right rear entertainment system screens. Taking a look at the details here, you've got power, mute, you can lock your screen, and if I press the icon specifically, the word is not clickable, you have to press the icon. It locks the passenger screen so that they can't control it while the vehicle's driving. I'd have to go and park and control it. From the driver's side, if the vehicle's in drive, I would not be able to see the screen, but if I was curious as to what the passenger's watching, I can choose to listen in. Now, taking a look at the rear screens, similar control functionality. We've got power, mute. I can lock the screen so that if I've got younger children in the back, they can't control it. If we do have kids in the back and they want to watch the same thing, you can select share screen, and then this will start sharing between your left and right screen so that they're watching the same content simultaneously. Now from the second row, let's take a look at the rear seat entertainment system. Note that everything I'm about to show you can also be duplicated on the front passenger screen. Very important, depending on the height of your rear seat passengers, you can tilt the screen for optimal viewing. And here we can see our built-in streaming apps. We have a web browser where it's very easy for you to browse the web. What's also nice is that in the rear seats, we have a screen sharing option where you can share your monitor with the other passenger screen. If I accept on that screen, which automatically accepts after a certain time frame, you can see that everything I see on my screen here is duplicated on that screen. If I click the home button and back out of this screen, it will stop my screen sharing. But from here, I can select HDMI 1, HDMI 2, perfect to hook up a gaming console, great for those long road trips. We also have vehicle status where you can see speed, energy consumption, range, and a whole host of other vehicle information. Going back to my home menu, you'll see that there's a bar that's always here on the left-hand side. You've got the option to connect your Bluetooth headphones so that only you can hear what's going on, or you can use your cabin speakers and get everybody involved in that sing-along. Going through our settings, we can adjust screen brightness by either tapping up and down or pressing and dragging our brightness bar here to choose the selected brightness. Going back, Bluetooth headphones, this is where you can add your own personal devices and alternate between different headphones that are already connected to the vehicle, and a couple of other factory reset options. And that's the rear seat entertainment system, where every drive in an Escalade IQ can be entertaining.